Hello guys, this tutorial is going to be very helpful for beginners who are struggling to do watercolor backgrounds for their calligraphy work. Being a self-taught artist, I experiment a lot with do's and don'ts. As I believe, before you start to do a new work, you must be aware of its don'ts first. So let's start. So now to start with, we are going to use an OHP sheet. Basically, it's a thick plastic which is easily available on a stationery store. Next, I'm using a spray bottle. It's filled with normal water. I'm using Camlin brush pens because they are economical and easy to use. You can cut the drawing sheets according to your project size. Here I'm going to use a 110 GSM paper. So let's start by doing the vertical strokes first. For that I have taken an OHP sheet and brush pens, and for a beginner I would suggest you to limit the colors to 2 or 3 first. As you can see, I have not left much space between two strokes. This will help in blending the colors better. Now spray adequate amount of water. Now as you can see, the colors have started to disperse. This is the sign that you have sprayed enough water. Keep the paper over it and without pressing it, just flip the OHP sheet. Now take the tissue paper and gently rub it in the direction of the swatches. Now you have to hold an OHP sheet and just pull it in one go. Now take a tissue paper and just gently dab to remove the excess amount of color. Now once this is done, keep it aside for at least 15 minutes for drying. So now I'm going to demonstrate horizontal swatches. For that I'm going to use the same OHP sheet, wipe it dry with the help of dry tissue paper, and it's good to use. Now you must have noticed I am using a dark shade less as compared to the light shade. This is going to give us a very beautiful effect. So now just rub it in the direction of swatches, which is in this case is a horizontal direction. You must be wondering what will happen if I rub it in the opposite direction. I have explained this in the later part of the video, so just don't forget to watch this video till the end. So now let's demonstrate with the diagonal swatches, and I have taken 3 brush pens for that, and rest of the procedure remains the same. You just need to remember the direction of your swatches and you will definitely master it. Now let's see what will happen if I don't spray enough water. Now you must have noticed the colors have not blended well and the patches are clearly visible. Now let's try and see what will happen if I rub my tissue in the opposite direction of the swatches. You will notice the patches as I rubbed my tissue against the direction of my swatches. Now that's it for today's session. Do let me know in the comment section below how you liked the video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you.